Hi, John Hawkins here. Welcome to Springfield. It's now summer in Australia, and because we've had some good rain here in the Riverina district, your koshi has come on really well. Remember when I said these rice fields would be a blanket of green? What do you think? Up until now, these plants have been putting all their energy into growing leaves and roots. But from now on, they get down to the business of grain production. We call this critical point in the plant's growth cycle panicle initiation. The panicle emerges from down here in the heart of the spikelet. It becomes the flower and then the seed head, where all the plant's nutrients will be stored as healthy, wholesome grains of rice. To make sure you get premium quality cooking and eating rice, Australian growers do something special at this time of the season. We take plant samples and send them to SunRice for tissue testing to find out how much or how little nutrient the crop needs between now and harvest. That way we can accurately manage our fertiliser program.
And this is where those grower-supplied field samples come to, our Quality Appraisal Centre in Leeton. Near-infrared technology is used to determine the sample's nitrogen content. All plants need nitrogen, and by using this test, we can work out the exact amount a rice crop needs. And when it's all done, a report's produced and sent back to each grower.
At this stage, the crop has about 5 centimetres of water on it, so we can't use the tractor. Instead, we spread urea from the air. Flying at 200 kilometres per hour, it's a fast and economical way to give the crop precisely what it needs to yield the optimal amount of premium quality cooking and eating rice. After this top dressing, we don't treat the crop with anything else. At this very sensitive growth stage, cold overnight temperatures could damage the rice, so we protect it with a blanket of water. For the rest of the growing season, your rice will be drinking clean water, breathing fresh air, and absorbing lots of healthy sunshine. The next time you see this crop, the water will be gone, the blanket of green will have turned to fields of gold, and the harvesters will be working. See you then.